Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're going to make some fresh cut French fries. That's right, guys, fresh cut French fries. I know French fries are everybody's favorite. This is something you could do with your kids. Your kids love fries. Who doesn't love a nice fry? And to top the fries, we're going to make a homemade cheese sauce from scratch using three different kind of cheeses. Here, I'm cooking with Frankie Meatball. Guys, here it is. We got our fresh potatoes. We're going to cut our fresh potatoes. We got our three cheese. We're going to make a cheese sauce from scratch, homemade, all the way. So we got some Colby Jack, we got some Munster, and some mild cheddar cheese. I'm telling you, forget about it. You're going to love it. I'm telling you, guys. So first things first, what you want to do, you get yourself some potatoes. I use rustic potatoes. You can use any kind of potato you want. Make sure you clean them. Scrub the skin off because we're going to eat the whole potato. If you don't like the skin, then skin it, okay? But anyway, we're going to make it from scratch. We're going to cut every one of these potatoes down. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be something that once you make these fresh cut fries, it's like fresh pasta. You're never going to buy those frozen potatoes again. I'm telling you. Fresh cut fries. So what you want to do is cut the potato, make it flat, okay? Just, run your knife down. How fat you want them, how thin you want them, but keep them all the same size. So turn the potato to the side and cut down. Boom. 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 Then you get this one here. Boom. Boom. Look at that, guys, huh? Very nice. French fries. French fries, French fries. I'm going to cook one more potato for you, then I'm going to do your magic trick, okay? Let's cut the bottom off of that. Okay? Nice, not too thick. Just make them lines. You know what fries are supposed to look like, right? Look. You just want to kind of have them nice and uniform, you know what I mean? Everything the same, everything cooks the same, you know? Everything the same size, everything cooks the same. Alright? Alright, see, nice and nice. Nice and nice. And then we'll just, just make fries. There you go, guys. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Look at these fries, guys, I'm telling you. Huh? I'm going to do a magic trick for you. A magic trick that you will always would want to do, but never figure it out. Abracadabra. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Where are you? Boom! Hey, look at that. You like that? I did that for you, eh? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I think that did it for you, eh? Now what you want to do is get yourself a container, fill it with a little bit of water, throw your fries in there, let them sit in the water while we make our cheese sauce. This way they don't turn brown, you know what I'm saying? Boom! So here's my container. I might need another one because there's a lot of fries. I got a little bit of water, I'm going to throw them in the water. Okay, we're going to throw them in the water so they don't get brown. There you go. Let them sit while we make our cheese sauce. If you want to come over here with me, we're going to make our cheese sauce here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. We're going to make the sauce. Now for the sauce, you want to start off with a roux. Equal parts of butter and flour. So we got 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay? We're going to melt that down. I got here 2 tablespoons of flour. And here I got just a little bit more. Just in case. You never know. You might need a little bit extra. Okay? Alright, melt it down. You want to get your flour, sprinkle some flour in. You want to you want to cook that. You want to cook that flour. See, now that's beautiful. We didn't need that extra, okay? You want to cook it, but don't let it sit, because if it sits, it's going to burn. So you want to cook it because you want to cook the flour taste out of it, okay? All right, I'm going to pour some of the milk in, a little at a time, guys, so we don't have a glump, okay? See, it's getting thick. Put a little more. Nice, look at that. Just make sure you have enough milk, you know, guys. I started off with, I started off with a quart and a half. Starting to loosen up. When it gets hotter, it's going to tighten back up. Alright, now that the milk came to a boil, it thickened back up, okay? So we're looking for a consistency of cheese. Don't forget, when you put the cheese in, it's going to make it a little thick. So you want to get it to your consistency, then put a little extra milk in it. I'm going to put some more in, and we're going to make that come to a boil. So it's boiling again, your milk. Now you can feel the consistency, it's thickening up. Now, that's what it's going to do. Now, I want to put just a little bit more in, okay? I'm going to put a teeny bit more in, and let that come to a boil. And then I think we'll be ready to put some cheese in. We want to add some cheese in. A little at a time, okay? I'm going to do some Munster first. Before you add more in, make sure it's all dissolved. Colby Jack, we're going to throw some of that in there. Throw some of that in there. A little more Colby Jack. And that's good. We're going to do a little more Munster. I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to grab some cheddar. Throw a little cheddar in, stir. We'll throw a little more cheddar, stir. Alright, take a look at this cheese, guys. Look at that. See, here's the consistency. Alright? So, you know, I want it thicker and I want it more cheesier. So I'm going to add some more cheese and stir it. Okay? Don't forget, you're going to season this with just salt and pepper. So, since it's cheese, we don't want black pepper, unless you don't mind seeing the black speckles, it's up to you. But I'm going to season it with white pepper and some salt. Okay? I'm going to throw a little more Munster in there. If you want to just do straight cheddar, you can, but do mild cheddar. Step aside, Cheese Whiz. A little more cheddar. Look, just like my buddy says, everything's better with cheddar. Ain't that right, Derek boy? We're gonna taste this, and I think it's good, guys. I'm gonna shut the heat off on that. Grab myself some aluminum foil and cover it up to keep it warm. We're waiting for this oil to get to 275. Alright, we're just about at 275, 274, 275, same thing. Guys, place your fries in very gently. You don't want to get hit with the oil. Alright? Oh, in case you're wondering, prior to cooking, I drained the water out. Get yourself a spoon or something. You want to just move the fries around, okay? So we're going to pre-cook them on 275 for about 10 to 15 minutes. And moving to the side, make sure they're all submerged. And as they cook, you want to give them a little shake so they don't stick together. The purpose to pre-cook your fries is that you want to cook the outside as well as the inside, okay? So when you final cook them, all you're doing is making them crispy. Alright, it's been about maybe a little more, like 20 minutes, guys. But get yourself a potato. Look for like a nice fat one. You can feel it. If it's nice and soft and hot, time to come out. Okay, so these are nice and soft. They are ready to come out. So get yourself a nice cooling rack. I use this, and just lay them right on there. And you're going to let them drip dry. Fresh hot butter popcorn! Jack up the heat on your oil. Turn it to 350 for those who have a home fryer. Alright, we're at 350, guys. And be careful when you throw your fries in. Kind of want to slide them in, you know what I mean? Slide it in, girl. Slide it in, guys. And now you know how this goes, right, guys? Just put them in and let them cook, guys. Alright, guys, while they're cooking, you want to kind of just give them a little move, make sure they're not sticking together. They're cooking very nice. They're cooking very nice, guys. Look at that. They're just about done, guys. Look at that. You can feel that they're getting nice and hard as you move them around, and they're all floating on top. That's a good indication that they are done. I'm going to leave them in for another minute, take them out, put them over here so the grease should drop off. I'm going to salt them with table salt. Then, after I salt them and plate them, we're going to cheese them. Now, salt. Just drop it from high so it goes on it nice and evenly. Okay, boom. Guys, I'm going to get the plate. And we're going to get cheesy. Uh-huh. How about that one, huh? Check that cheese out, guys. Look at the cheese. Boom, huh? Woo! Look at that cheese. Oh, cheesy fries. Look at that, guys, huh? Look at that sauce. Now, you can make that sauce a little thicker if you want, but I'm telling you, this is beautiful. Oh, Madonna me, huh? Look at that cheese fries. Boom, huh? What do you think about that, huh? What do you think about that, huh?
That looks cheesy.
That is cheesy cheese. Why don't you tell the people what they can do? But before you do, I still got too many stickers, guys. Email me your address, and I will mail you a Cooking with Frankie Meatball sticker. I want everybody to have one of these. Check us out on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. And guess what? Well, you tell them what they can do.
If you like the video, make sure to like and